Welcome to this third video lecture on Unit 1. In this video lecture, I will be discussing finite automata. So, I will be discussing or I will be explaining finite automata with a simple example. The question is to design finite automata which is accepting strings which are ending in 1, 0. So here the string is the combination of ones and zeros, and the restriction is at the end it should find the sequence 1, 0. So if it finds a sequence 1, 0 at the end, then and then only finite automata should accept it, otherwise it should reject the input string. So the design of finite automata will begin with a state Q0 which we call it as initial state. So as it is initial state, it will be represented with the incoming arrow. So to this Q0 state, there are two possible inputs, 0 and 1. As our strings are combination of zeros and ones, for this Q0 state, there may be input 0 or there may be input 1. So when the input 0 comes, we have to search for 1, 0. So it will keep waiting in the same state, or it will keep looping in the self state with the input 0, and it is waiting for 1 to come. So if the input is 1, then in this, as it is searching for 1, 0, it has obtained 1, 1. To remember that it has obtained the 1, 1, it will go to the next state Q1. So basically it is remembering, with this transition, it is remembering that it has observed 1 in the sequence 1, 0. So again in the state Q1, there are two possible inputs, that is 1 and 0. So if the input is 1, so sequence is suppose 0, 0, 0, 1. With the first 0 it is in state Q0, with the second 0 it is in state Q0, with the first one it has come to the state Q1. So after 0, 0, 1, there is one more 1 and there is one more 1. So it has to keep waiting in the same state for a 0 to come, because it has observed the 1 in the sequence 1, 0. So the meaning of Q1 state is it has observed 1 in the sequence 1, 0. So it is in the state Q1. Now if there is a 0, that means it has observed the sequence 1, 0. Sequence 1, 0 is observed, so it has gone to the accepting state Q2. Now again in state Q2, there are two possible inputs, 1 and 0. So if the input is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and then again 1, that means it is not ending with 1, 0. So it has yet to search for a 0 to come. That means it will come back to the state Q1 with the input 1. But suppose it is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and there is a 0 again. That means it is not ending with 1, 0. So it has to search for 1, 0. So it goes back to the state Q0 and then starts searching for 1, 0 to come so that it can reach the final state. So the example or working of this finite automata with this string. Suppose the input is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So what will happen? The first one is the input to the state Q0. In Q0 it has obtained the input 1. So with 1 it will go to the state Q1. Now the state is Q1. To the state Q1, the input is 1 now. So with this 1, it will remain in the state Q1 because it has observed 1, 1. So the next input is 0. It is in state Q1 and it has obtained the input 0. So it means that it has found the sequence 1, 0. When it finds the sequence 1, 0, it has to reach the state Q2. So with that 0 it goes to the state Q2. Now it is in state Q2 but the input is 1. In state Q2 the input is 1. It has observed the sequence 1 0, so it has reached the state Q2, but in Q2 it finds 1. So with 1 it goes back to the state Q1 because it has yet to search for a 0 so that it ends with 1 0. Now it comes back to the state Q1 with this 1. Now it is in state Q1 and the input is 0. So with this 0 it will take a transition to Q2 and it will reach the state Q2, which is the final state Q2. As this string ends with 1 0, it has reached the state Q2. So this is the finite automata that we have designed for these strings which are ending in 1 0. Now the definition of finite automata. This finite automata is defined as a 5-tuple of Q sigma delta Q0 and A, where Q is the set of states, sigma is the input alphabet, Q0 is the initial state, A is the set of accepting states, and delta is mapping from present input and present state to the new state. So we'll relate this definition with the example that we have studied. So Fa, which is a 5-tuple, Fa, which is a 5-tuple of Q sigma delta Q0 and A, Q, which is set of states. So in this there are 3 states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Sigma, which is input alphabet. So the input symbols which are allowed here are 0 and 1. Initial state, we are considering Q0 as the initial state. Accepting states, we have marked Q2 as the accepting state, and delta, which is a transition from present state, present input and the state. Mapping from present state, present state, present input and present outcome. So from state Q1 with input 1, it results in Q1. From state Q1 with input 0, it goes to the state Q2. So it is sigma Q cross sigma, Q cross sigma. From Q, we have taken Q1. From sigma, we have taken 0. Q cross sigma results in Q. Similarly here, if you consider this, Q cross sigma results in Q. Similarly here, Q cross sigma results in Q. So it is basically defining or specifying the transition function, delta. So in this, I have discussed just a simple example of finite automata, and I have related that with the definition of finite automata. Thank you.